leaving them. And we're not in an evacuation zone because we're not near the water. But it's going to be bad. And there was no way to evacuate the animals because there's nowhere to take them. This whole state's getting hit, and we can't take them out of state because we don't have health certificates yet for everybody. We've done all the preparing we can. The hardest preparing is my heart. It's supposed to hit at night. And for those of you that don't know, because I know everyone's going to say put them in a barn. The safest place for animals during a hurricane is not in a barn. The safest place is to leave them loose, which as a parent is hard to do because things will be flying with this force of this hurricane. Trees are going to be going down everywhere, and it's going to be dark and the animals can't see.